Our research group for a long time has worked on recreating 3D models from photos. We set out to create a large model of campus, one that both has scope and great detail, using drones, using ground photos, using GPS for accuracy.
This is by far the largest project we've ever undertaken. There is more area, more buildings for us to cover here than we've ever covered on any other site.
There's over 40 buildings, and we try to get detail on every one of these buildings. So what we really focused on is on taking this drone and get down to almost eye level, where then the ground photos can take over and supplement more detail than what the drone's camera can do. We ended up gathering over 120,000 photos. 80,000 of those ended up in the final model.
We're going to take those images and use a technology called structure from motion computer vision to be able to essentially stitch these images together and to calculate depth from the images and create a 3D reconstruction.
Here on campus, we see all of the 80,000 plus photos that were taken to create this model, and we see all of their exact locations. Here we see many photos in the air. These were taken from the drone, but we also see photos coming down to a ground level and then continuing on in a ring. We see a unique challenge that we had here. Obviously, there's a big area in the center of JFSB that typically would be hard to model, but with drones and with ground images, we were able to come in and fly inside this area. When we zoom in, we can see a lot of detail here. Some places on campus, when you zoom into them, you'll realize it looks photorealistic. And that's something you can't get from just driving around or using satellite imagery. This is also a very accurate model. It can be used for design, construction on campus, new buildings.
Professionals here at BYU will be able to take these models and make accurate measurements of distance or location. We'll be able to see very clearly the condition of buildings, the condition of the landscape. And one of the fun things about this is the potential to bring this model into a technology like virtual reality, where you can place yourself, immerse yourself right here into virtual BYU.
There are many, many applications for models like these, and I think we're just scratching the surface of it. It's a great opportunity to preserve our historical heritage here on this campus. Being able to see every building, every wall, every corner, it helps me feel like I know this campus before I graduate. And it also makes me feel like I had something to offer, to give back for all of the wonderful opportunities which I've had learning at this university.